A couple of years prior, cryptographic money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals, including obscure brokers. However, today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, going against the norm, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic, unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out by means of mining, these advanced monetary standards are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary money-related storms. Generally, cryptographic money is a totally decentralized cash predominantly founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital currencies, viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether likewise highlight Near Protocol as a transcendent player. Close to protocol cryptocurrency. Let's near the roots. The powerful arrangements presented by Near are the result of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their sensational commitment to these momentous administrations. Made by engineers Alex Kidanov and Ilya Polosykhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the convention fundamentally as framework for innovation to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto monsters like Ethereum and other driving brilliant agreement-empowered blockchains. Close to protocol's local token is likewise called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange charges and capacity. Disposing of siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole biological system of novel installment doors that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Close customized of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more prominent monetary reasonableness and a chance for all-through examination, schooling, and generosity. Close to protocol. Nearing the advantages. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find actual success in definitely speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Close to convention has likewise fundamentally disintegrated the job of delegates by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized framework. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is a conspicuous election of financial backers because of fast, cost productivity, and reliability security. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent word to facilitator of shrewd agreement and public proof of stake. POS blockchain with a mentality to be easy to use, integrating highlights like intelligible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to cooperate with dapps and brilliant agreements without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. A crucial benefit of sharding has been to diminish the computational burden by parting or parceling the organization into shards or sections. This would, thus, speed up network limit. Close to convention utilizes a sale framework to pick validators each age around like clockwork, and validators who have more critical stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. Close to protocol price predictions. Market sentiment. With the sort of high unpredictability included, anticipating or giving a gauge close to protocol cost today is around $10.52. Our drawn-out near cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has an enormous chance of overwhelming its ongoing all-time high, of $7.56 this year. In any case, it might reach $12.6 soon, coming to $20 on the off chance that financial backers have arranged that Near as a wise interest in 2022. As per our specialized examination and estimate on past value information of Near Protocol, in 2022, the cost of Near Protocol is anticipated to arrive at the very least degree of $14.88. The Near cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $16.82, with a typical exchanging cost of $15.41. The ongoing cost of Near Protocol, is around $10.52. In light of our figure, the coin worth might rise altogether this year. The greatest cost may be around $7.77 toward the finish of 2022. Putting resources into near coins at the ongoing value level would be a decent choice according to our investigation. Redditors' cost expectation for near convention cost states very nearly a comparable assessment. The greatest milestone triumph at the future near cost is that it would cross $10, thus with 5 years, the near cost will worth bet. However, with the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe near to be a sensibly decent long-haul speculation. Close to protocol price forecast. 2022 to 2026. Assumptions from blockchain guidelines make certain to fill considering the previous pandemic toward the finish of 2022, as per the new information report of Moody. Close to protocol digital money is the third biggest digital currency, and by 2023, it is searching for some headways. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost forecast, the near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year, with its unions and accomplices on an extension binge keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of near protocol remains at $10.50, with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing circling supply of near protocol remains at 645,747,533 near. Close to protocol price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the hourly diagram, the near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting in the scope of $12-15. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for the near coin esteem, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity or the market reflecting enormous unpredictability. There is an anticipated possibility of near costs causing a misfortune, showing some opposition yet just small, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on